How's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. We're going to talk today about the Eclipse dedicated home theater ceiling paint. Now this will allow you to be able to turn your ceiling into one of those optical illusions or 3D displays for your home theater setup. Now mind you, this is for dedicated theaters. If you want to paint this in your living room, it's up to you. But this kit will come with several different projectors. Now we're going to have it in 2 quarts, we're going to have it in 1 gallon, and we're going to have it in 2 gallons. Now a 2-gallon kit, you can have it with the lights or without the lights. Actually every kit will come with 1 wave light, 1 wave laser light. There's the lights right there. So the kits do all different kinds of, you can set it up for different combinations of different effects, level effect of lights to give the top of your ceiling a really cool effect. I'm going to be doing the entire thing upstairs. I'm going to do it on the white ceiling, unfortunately, but I'd rather do it on the black. Now as you can see, look how much light we have in the environment. You can see the screen's taking light here, 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 and here. But you can see the white wall, it's not picking up, but you can see on the black surface, it is picking up perfectly. Now we got to do this with the lights out because this is what this is designed for. It is designed to be used in an ambient light controlled environment or a dark environment. And this will allow you to be able to give your dedicated home theater ceiling a very cool effect. Now like I said, we're going to have several kits. Some kits will, one kit will be the Deluxe package. It will come with 2 sets of the laser lights and also to the Star Galaxy projector, which you're seeing right there on the floor. Alright, so let's start this. Let's hit all the lights first. And keep in mind, lights are fully remote control. Look at that already from the door. I just dropped one of the lights and look how cool this looks. So this is a very cool effect, and keep in mind, optic fiber lighting in your ceiling for your home theater setup is very, very expensive. This is an easier way to do it. You know, like I said, I have it upstairs. My ceiling's white, and the effect isn't really, doesn't add any depth to the ceiling because the ceiling is white. But with this new technology we have developed, you can see it actually shows up even in a fully lit environment. It looks absolutely incredible. And compared to a white wall, it comes up better. It comes up, it's designed to actually magnify the image on your home theater setup. Look at that. And even with the light hitting, it looks fantastic. Now like I said, I have a multi-layer light projection going on. Each one of them adds a layer of 3D to your ceiling. And we'll have a Deluxe kit that will come with all 3. It'll come with the Star Galaxy Starfinder and the 2 lights. Laser lights that come with these remote controls right here. Allow you to hook it up in every different way. And keep in mind, the 2 laser lights are basically sound reactive, so you can actually run speakers to it or plug some speakers into it, and basically it'll react to music. Alright, so let's get our lights all together. Okay. Drop the other one. And there you go. There's the effect that we're getting off our ceiling. And there's your white wall right there. The white wall can't even pick up the multiple layers of lights that give off this crazy illusion. Let me get on the floor real quick. I want you to see how cool this looks. This looks really freaking amazing. Alright, so let's begin. I got a nice little demonstration lined up. Now keep in mind, the black screen is our new screen paint that's coming out. This is our Eclipse Nano Black 4K and 3D ready spray on screen. We're doing this on our plexiglass, our wallpaper projection screen. So let's remove this right now so we can start the demonstration. My cell phone is on the other side, so I'll start it from here. Now our 2-quart kits of our dedicated ceiling paint, or Eclipse dedicated ceiling paint, will come with a laser projector from the door. But like I said, we'll have deluxe packages that will have all 3. Come over here. I got a contract going out today for a company that designs dedicated theaters, and they're looking at getting probably about 90 gallons of this ceiling screen paint. And keep in mind, you can change the colors if you choose. Now I'm gonna come over here real quick. I'm gonna replay. Hold on for a minute. I got another video lined up here. I think I got another one lined up. Let's go up. I lost my feed, so if I lost my feed, there we go. We got one right here. Let's grab it. Sorry about that.
They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but we've narrowed it down to 3.
Alright, let's see if we can grab one more. I'm going to grab something with some really crazy psychedelic colors in it. Let's see what we can get our hands on. Okay. Let's see. I've done this one quite a few times, but we'll do it again. I'm going to add something really crazy into the mix. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's try this one. This is perfect. I think that one started already a little early. There we go. Look how fantastic that ceiling paint looks. Like I said, instead of you spending like thousands and thousands, I think it's way more than thousands, to have an optic fiber ceiling installed in with the black ceiling paint. This will allow you to do this with make the screen look absolutely incredible. Adds a whole new world to your home, your dedicated home theater setup. Come over here and I'll take my lights out real quick. Pick the right ones. Alright. There's also all different effects that you can kick off on the screen.